So how to run a program in debug mode? The first step is go to the method and then which line onwards you want to start running, and that line you put a debug point, a toggle breakpoint we call this. This is the starting point, right? This you go towards left and put a toggle breakpoint. So place the toggle breakpoint. That's the first point. Go to the method inside. So we can note first step. Go to the method inside. Go to the method inside and place the toggle breakpoint and place the toggle 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 breakpoint. So this is how you can see here. So this is the, can you see here?
Yes, sir.
If you want to remove this, double click. If you want to place, double click. So that's the first step, how to place the toggle breakpoint. So if you want to make a note there, so double click on the extreme left of that line for your understanding. Okay. Place the toggle breakpoint bracket, you can write. So double click to place it, toggle breakpoint, double click to remove the toggle breakpoint. Okay. That means cursor will come and stop here. So then you can run line by line code from here onwards. So that's our first step. Is it completed? First step, have you written?
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, second step. So the second step is, can you see here top, right side, there is a bug icon and there is a one
Yes.
more Java. Java, this is called debug. Bug icon is called debug. Now you click the debug icon. Second step. Top right side of the Eclipse. By default selection will be on the Java perspective, this is called. And this is the debug perspective. You need to click on the debug perspective. So click on debug perspective. So click on debug perspective. Okay. Is it clicked? So right, have you written that? Click on the debug icon on the top right side of the Eclipse. Click on the debug icon, top right side of the Eclipse. You can see in your Eclipse also. Can you all see Java perspective? And now by default Java is selected. Now here it will select the debug perspective. Select the debug perspective. Okay. Now that's a second step. Now third step, you right click on the program. You can see here debug as. Right click on the program. Right, third step. Right click on the program. Right click on the program.
Debug as.
Then select debug as. Select debug as. Select debug as. Java application. Select debug as Java application. Select debug as Java application. So click on that. Okay, click on Java application. See, now it will start executing. See, it will highlight where you get the toggle breakpoint. It will highlight. See in green color. Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now you can see A value 50, B value 40. You have given A value 50 right here, and B value 40. See, I'm showing on the variable section on the right hand side of your program. Okay. Now it is highlighted. It won't move. See, still in running mode. It is not moving from there. The sixth line onwards, it is not moving. Now you need to execute. Now we need to execute line by line. How to execute? Can you see here on the toolbar? Can you see this is the toolbar? This is the red mark, and this is the arrow mark. Step into step over. You need to click on step over. Next. So click on the step over icon in the toolbar. Next step, click on the step over. So this arrow icon. So you make note that arrow icon. Bracket you put F6. In the keyboard F6 also you can press. Otherwise you can click on this icon. This icon. So how do you know it is in running mode? You can see this red mark is there. That's a running mode. That means it is still in running mode. It is not moving. Next slide. Normal mode it will complete, but here it won't finish. It is waiting here for your action. It is waiting for your action. What is the action? You click to execute the statement. You click on this F6.
F6.
F6, not F4. F6.
F6.
You have to press F6 or click on this arrow mark. See now cursor is moved to 7th line. See, first statement is printed. The print statement execute. That's why the print method is printing that value. Now it comes to 7th line. Now 7th line, you can move to step over. Now the condition is checking. The condition is true or false now?
True, sir.
So true means what will happen? It will come inside the curly braces region.
Reason.
So it came inside the 8th line. It is very clearly you can see where the cursor is moving.
Yes, sir.
It's a debug mode. Next line. First statement in the if block executed, 8th line is executed. That's why in the console you can see I am inside A greater than B condition. Now that is executed. Done. Now where it went? 11th line. Now condition is true or false?
False.
False.
So false means it will execute the 12th and 13th lines or no?
False.
No,
So
sir.
it is see 11th line jump directly to 16th line.
16th.
Why it is jumping, Neela and Haripriya, you are getting? Why it is going to jump?
Because that false.
Condition, not step. Condition is becoming false.
False.
Condition, see A value 50 and B value, here are values also it will show. When you mouse over on the variable, it will show what is the A value. And if you mouse over on the B, it will show what is the B value. It will do this condition. Now you can manually also calculate why it is jumping. Now we click on this arrow mark, step over. See, directly jump to 16th line. Why it jumped to 16th line directly from 11th to 16?
Because condition is false.
Condition is false.
If condition is false means this statement won't execute.
Will not execute.
That's why it went to 16th line.
16th line.
Now 16th line also won't execute. The 17, 18th line won't execute. Why it won't go inside this curly braces region? Because the condition is
false.
false. False. So see, jump to directly 22nd line. So Neela, are you getting? Neela,
Yes, sir.
Rashida?
Yes, sir. I am getting, sir.
Yeah.
I'm
So Haripriya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now execute this one more time. See, it went to. This is also true. That's it. Went here, 26th line. See, 27th line. Then ended. 30th line, that method is ending. Now where the main method is still not ended, because you are still in the 35 line. This is executing. So now it will come to 37 line. Once the 37 line is ended, then the method execution is over. See, click one more time, ended. See, the program execution is complete. No red mark here.
Yes.
You see, it completed. Here also no red mark here. That means execution is over. That's how to run a program in debug mode. Sir, I have completed. How can you bring to normal mode? So you
Double click on.
double click on Java.
Java perspective is correct. Click on that. Now it will come to normal mode and remove this toggle breakpoint. Double click, it will remove the toggle break. This is normal mode. Now you can run directly. No need of debug mode. Now you can run as
Java applications.
directly it will execute. You don't need to go step by step. So this is the normal execution, and debug mode means line by line coding.
Line by line.
Okay, here.
Yes, sir.
So that's the how to run in debug mode.